guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jane and this is my weekly Slimming World update. For all your existing subscribers, welcome back. Well, as you know, last week I was so desperate to get the half stone award and I fell short by about £0.5, mainly due to like birthdays and I think there was a buffet at work, and on top of those things, and obviously I didn't exercise last week as well, I only got £0.5, but I was so uplifted because at the end of the day I still lost. You know, I didn't gain any, I didn't stay the same, I still lost. And I know there's going to be those weeks where you do stay the same, and never be discouraged if that happens to you, or if you sort of go up a little bit. At the end of the day, life is worth living, so you know, we need to enjoy ourselves too. It can't be strict the whole time. But obviously I do like to have my treat food, but I try and sort of, if I had some treats, then I try and sort of be extra careful on a couple of other days to sort of offset it, if you know what I mean. So obviously this week I went to weigh class tonight and I lost £2. So yes, I got my half stone award and I'm so pleased. Yeah, I only actually needed £0.5 to get this award, but obviously I lost £2, so I'm well on my way and I could not be happier. The thing is as well this week is that it was, obviously if you remember from last week, it was Sam's mum's birthday. We went out for dinner on Sunday. I did keep it really healthy as well in my choices, so it wasn't anything too bad there. We did have a little bit of cake again, but like I say, you can have that bit of cake, but just keep it to a small amount and try and sort of save some sins in order, because I wasn't sure how many sins that little bit of cake was, but I was trying to save some sins anyway. And then we had Monday, we had like a buffet at work because we had a meeting, and I did have a little bit of, it looked like deep fried stuff as well, some sort of like spring roll type things, but they were quite big ones and I ate 2 of those plus some sandwiches. So I was probably over my sins on that day, but I've been so careful on the other days. I've been completely under my sins. I've really cut back. I've tried to make my evening meals completely sin free. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know what I had for tea last night. So yeah, I've tried to make up for it, for, you know, those extra sins that I had earlier on in the week. Plus today was someone else's birthday, so I did have a little bit of cake again, but again, because I've been careful, I have still lost the £2. So yeah, I'm really pleased. I am off out for dinner tonight, but we're going for Italian, so I'm going to keep it simple, maybe some pasta with a tomato based sauce, and then that should obviously keep the sins under control. But obviously I think I've still got, how many sins have I had today? I literally, when I came home from Slimming World just now, I was so hungry as well, because I literally don't eat before. I have lunch, but then I don't eat again until I get weighed. So I had like a rocky road, which is obviously 3 sins, and I did have a packet of Walker's French fries, which is 4. So the only thing I've had is that today. This lunchtime I had a jacket potato with some cottage cheese, like no fat cottage cheese, and some salad. Just had my normal option A and B this morning, porridge as normal. So yeah, so I've only had 7 sins. So obviously I'm going out tonight. I don't know how the food's going to be made, but if I stick to the tomato sauce based stuff with pasta, I should be completely fine. I may have a gin and tonic tonight, but I'm only having the one if I do have one, because I'm driving. So it's not going to be too late of a night, because I need to come back and edit this film. So yeah, I'm getting it recorded now so that I can edit it tonight, because obviously I really want to make sure that I upload it at the same time every week. Anyway, so that's it from me. I will not be having a Slimming World weigh-in next week because me and Sam are away. So there will, just to let you know then, there won't be an update for next week, and there won't be a video next Friday either. So yeah, so bear with me. There'll be one uploaded next weekend instead. So yeah, so no video next week and no weigh-in next week. So that's it. So thank you everyone for watching. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below, and if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that's brilliant if you do. Any comments or anything like that, you can leave in the description box as well. Yeah, so that's everything. So thanks guys. So I will see you all for the next video. Bye.